validation if you've done so. Thank you and have a pleasant trip.
We are aboard Via Rail right now and just taking off from Halifax, Nova Scotia, which was a really wonderful place. It's really nice, and we are moving on our way out of the train station. We are on Via Rail, going across Canada. We'll arrive tomorrow. But as I go along, I blog some of the times that we're here, and just to let people see what it's like. This is our cabin. This is our cabin here, a little small quarters. There's a bed right here. There's a bed in case we want to relax and let stretch out. And there's my wife Grace. She's stretching out right now in the seats. And it's supposed to be a good ride. We will actually get into Toronto tomorrow at 6 o'clock, but we have to switch trains in Montreal. So we will let you know as we go along and let you see. And as we go through the Maritime, I'll just keep recording and you'll see how it goes. So right now we're going out of the Via Rail station here in Halifax, Nova Scotia, and we're on our way. That's Halifax there. There's a cruise ship in harbor in the background there, right there. They come into Halifax also. And this is the Maritimes, a wonderful place to be. But today is overcast, so, you know, we're just taking it as it goes. It was a bit of a long walk to get inside the entrance of the train, but it's one of those things, you never can go as exactly how you want it. So it was a little bit of an exercise. But right now, it's so wonderful being in the train safe and sound and just taking our ride through, heading out of Halifax, Nova Scotia. So there we go. Going out of Halifax. And I keep on blogging as we go through the Maritimes. So stay tuned and just keep enjoying the video. Just look at it. And if you have your opinions, you know, you can send me a text if you want to and let me know. But for right now, it's beautiful. Everything is smooth and train's moving. That's the most important thing. This cabin seemed to be pretty much okay though, but it has small quarters, little small quarters, you know. Have a few cupboards there. You have a washroom over there. You know, washroom over there. The door is open right now. But yeah, this is our little cubby hole until we get to Quebec. But you know, hopefully it'll be fun. Journey is always good. I love journeys. I hope you guys do too. If you do, then try Via Rail. And we'll let you know as we go along how it goes, how we progress. So take time and check it out and see. And yeah, just heading out. And when we get into the scenic roads, I will record also. But right now we're leaving the train station out of Halifax. So there we go. Halifax, Nova Scotia. All green, beautiful trees and overcast weather, ocean and all that stuff around. So we'll let you know as we go along the way, okay? We'll get back to you. Peace out.